Alright, so we got this little knob set here. So this is a common issue I see all around. People buy these from Bunnings, but they do not get the rebate kits, which is something that, like this, goes over the top, makes it look nice and pretty, and keeps it nice and stable. You only need these for doors that are rebated. So you see this rebate here, when it's got a step on it, usually on French doors, double doors, that's when you need this. So yeah, we're just going to take this one off. I'm going to put a brand new one on there with a rebate kit on it. I'm going to go with the Brava Urban, which is the brand that I use and I like. Sorry, Carbine, these ones actually. It's a brand I still like. That goes on the underneath the latch like that. That goes over the top of it, and then you slide it in there. It gives a nice, firm, tight feeling, which is what you want. It comes with a couple of screws. You use long ones for the latch here. Tighten up. So after you get the latch on there, it's pretty straightforward from there. You get the knobs set that you bought. Slide it on like that. It goes horizontally. Each one matches it. And put the knob on. Find the screws. Put the fresh one on just to make it look nice and fresh, nice and new. Nice. So it looks nice and good. Get those screws. Turn the key, unlocks, locks. There we go.